Today we'll talk about how can you select vehicle types on your Lim app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first. So you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. We'll find here vehicle types here. And here can you select if you want to add scooters here or bikes. Can you select it in this list here? Then when you just select it, it's going to show for you automatically on your map. So that's all you have to do to select your vehicle types. That's all. I wish now you I get it. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.